All right, so welcome everybody. It's Robyn bringing to you live Doug Seel, the Mac Guy expert, and he's going to be talking to us today about some issues that just came up with Zoom. For all of you that are using Zoom as a great tool for video conferencing and webinars, there was a recent hack or malware, they call it, but he's going to straighten this out with that and how to get it fixed. Welcome, Doug.
Thank you, Robyn. Yes, there has been some reports recently. It's been going back since August about security issues or different issues with Zoom. And because they make Zoom so easy to use, it has flaws in it. It's easy to join so people can hack into it. It's easy to install, so some of that was their writing of how they did the installation on people. It's not really malware, it's more just flaws in how they wrote the program to make it easy for people to use. So as long as you download the latest version of Zoom and do your security updates on your computer, you should be fine.
Okay, so it's such a great and useful tool, especially nowadays with everybody having to be sheltering at home and locked down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's using it. They're using Zoom. It's still safe. Just keep doing the updates and you should be fine. It's not malware, it's just some flaws in how they wrote the computer code.
Okay, so Doug also, by the way, does remote computer assistance as far as getting your issues fixed. So I want to just talk about how you do that remotely. It's such a great service that you offer.
Well, I have been for years coming on to companies or personal people's sites and work on their computer. But now with the stay at home and with the security, I can remote in and do about 90% of the same work. I use a program called Team Viewer, and the customer downloads the program, I download the program, and with a special ID and a special password, we get on the phone together and I can log into your computer, take control of it. You allow me while we're on the phone to take control, and it's like I'm in the living room or at your business with you. And we can go through and see if you're getting a spinning beach ball or why you're having issues, and we can look at it that way remotely. And if we need to do heavier duty work, we can figure out a way to make that happen.
Okay, so then just to be sure, you're able to access their computer via a password protected way to,
Yes.
Together you
Yes.
look at the computer and try to figure out, troubleshoot some of these issues, and then you're on the phone with the customer, is that right?
I am. The only way we do it is on the phone with, like you said, the ID and the password protected. And with both of us on the phone talking, the customer's seeing everything I'm doing. I'm explaining to them what I'm doing. So it's very secure that way. It's almost like me being in the same room with you. We're walking through the exact same things. We're discussing it. And when you quit the Team Viewer program, I get shut down. I cannot get back in. The ID and the password get changed. So it is a very secure method for me to evaluate your computer from afar.
Excellent. Okay. And then one other question, you did touch on it, is the spinning beach ball. We talk about beach balls in Florida, but we're not talking that beach ball. So when your Mac computer gets a little hung up there, what are some solutions that people can do?
Well, usually if you get the spinning beach ball, it's either you've run out of memory because you're maxing out their computer, and for many of their computers, we can add more memory. You filled up your hard drive and the Mac operating system has gotten cranky because you've used all the hard drive space, or if your computer is more than 3 to 5 years old, you might need a new hard drive. And if we put a new hard drive in, we can move all your data from your old hard drive to your new hard drive. All your programs, your files, everything is there. And that will speed up your computer immensely. We can take a 5 to 3 to 7 year old computer, put a new hard drive in it, and it will be like it's new again.
Excellent. All right. Well, that would sure help improve the operating system and also keep your money in your wallet, which is really important right now.
Yes, and that's a good point. With a new hard drive, you can spend $200 to $300 at the most we can put a new hard drive, which is a lot less money than the $12,000 to $2,000 you would spend for a new computer.
Yeah, and I think everybody needs that right now.
Yes.
And speaking of saving money, Doug Seel has been very generous, and you're offering one lucky viewer free audit. Would that be the way to say it?
An audit, an evaluation of their computer, remotely, of course.
Okay, so a complimentary audit to, if you're having any specific issues, you'll get on the phone and talk about what those are with Doug, and he's going to troubleshoot it. Is that right? What a nice offer.
Yeah, so we'll troubleshoot, we'll look at your computer, whoever having issues, we will look and see, is it the age, is it the computer, is it, what it is. And, free evaluation, then you can decide which path you want to take with the computer.
All right, excellent. Well, we'll be providing to you some contact details, how to get a hold of Doug, how to get a hold of me, of course. And don't forget, join us every Friday at 4 for the live online Marketing Mixer happy hour. Thanks, Doug, for being here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Robyn. All right, bye.